guys, welcome back to another video. And now it is 10:58.
It's really late at night. Very dedicated. Recently I went to Marshall, so I was looking around and then I found this products right here. I swear to you, this product is amazing. This is the ultimate white charcoal activated strips, and in this box, and I found this box at the clearance section at Marshall, and it was on sale for $3. And in here it has 3 pair of strips, so you can do it 3 times. When I first tried it the first time, I was like, oh my god, this is the best whitening strip I have ever used, because in the past I have used the Crest and the Colgate strip, and I also used the pen, you know, the whitening pen. I also tried before when I was in college. I pay money at the mall for them to whitening my teeth, but those services, those processes, really, I don't know why, but my teeth is really sensitive, so I get really like my tooth really hurt. So you get a package like this. So inside the strip, this is what you get. So before you put it on your mouth, on your teeth, wanna floss, using floss, dental floss, make sure you floss. I feel like it's more effective. It's more whitening if you floss between your teeth. So all the dirtiness, the yellow stain or anything that's stuck between your teeth will get rid of it. And then you wanna brush your teeth before you place the strip on. Now you want to wait about 30 to 40 minutes. So I'm back, and my teeth still feel normal. It doesn't feel sensitive at all. See, my teeth is like, I feel like it's 2 to 3 shades whiter. If you want to speed up the whitening process, I recommend you guys a couple more products I also found at Marshall. The first one also is the activated charcoal from White Glow. This is a charcoal powder, so the powder is like this. Hopefully you can see. So you use this powder to brush your teeth. It helps your teeth get white faster. Another products I want you to combine the whitening process is the same company, the White Glow toothpaste. This one is the charcoal deep stain removal. I also have another one from the same company. It's called the White Glow, the company, but it's the professional choice. This is another flavor, I think. So this one is like $5. Also, I found this. This is another brand, a different brand. This is the Moon alcohol free. I found it at Marshall too for $5.50 on the clearance section. And this one is alcohol free whitening activated charcoal mouth rinse. But if you really want your teeth white, you wanna put in a little bit effort and do all that you can to get your teeth white faster. I put everything down below, don't worry, and hopefully you guys find this video helpful. So hopefully you guys like this video, and thumb up on this video please, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Oh my god, it's 12:39 at night, and you know I'm really tired. Bye, thank you so much for watching.